You want me to talk to the assembly people? They should not be independent. But you want to be independent. Continue to be independent. Continue to serve the democracy of Nigeria. If they like, let them do as they are doing. They should go to any court they have in the state. Let them continue. Let them continue. We will never be intimidated by that. So let nobody be afraid. Every day, they said they are doing Thanksgiving. They were lucky. They didn't show this hand early. When we are finished winning for them, from pulling units to tribunal to Court of Appeal, they now came. Oh, they want to remove them in Supreme Court. Can you imagine? That's how they collect money from them. And they appointed somebody as a judicial consultant. Shame, shame, shame. When you tell the wicked man, we can
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.